Welcome to this session on SAP System Messages. In SAP, system messages act like a guide while you work inside transactions. They help you understand what the system needs from you and they alert you whenever something requires attention, correction, or just a confirmation. These messages are extremely important because they prevent incorrect data entry and ensure that the entire process flows smoothly across different modules, whether it's MM, SD, FI, or any other area. So always make sure you pay attention to them. And one key habit for all SAP users, train your eyes to look at the bottom of the screen. This is where SAP displays messages in what we call the status bar. If you get used to checking this area regularly, SAP becomes much easier to work with. Now, SAP system messages types. SAP uses different types of system messages, and each one tells you something different. Understanding these messages help you react correctly and avoid mistakes. There are three main message types you'll see as a beginner. First one is the error message. They appear in red. These stop the process completely. You cannot move forward until the issue is corrected. These messages indicate serious issues. They stop the transaction immediately and they must be corrected before proceeding. Examples can be materials not maintained for plant or posting period is closed. The second type of messages are the warning messages and they appear in yellow. These messages tell you something might be wrong. You can still continue, but you should double check what the system is warning you about. These messages show potential issue with data. User can continue by pressing enter, often used to inform about unusual entries. Examples can be quantity exceeds allowed tolerance or material flagged for deletion. Best practices can be do not ignore these warning messages, understand why they appear. Third type of messages are the information messages and they appear in green. These are simply notifications to inform you what happened. They confirm that something has happened or they give you useful information. No action is required, just press enter to continue. As you gain experience, you will start recognizing these messages just by their colors and icons, and you will know instantly how to respond. SAP provides feedback about processing. No action required from your side. Examples can be document posted or changes saved. The best practices is to learn to check information messages as confirmation. And remember, train your eyes to look at the bottom of the screen. Now, how to handle system messages? Whenever a system message appears, the first step is very simple. Read it carefully. A lot of SAP users get stuck because they skip this step. Next, identify the message type. Is it an error, a warning, or information? This will tell you whether you need to fix something immediately or just proceed. It is always easy to understand the messages. You open it in full window, double click on the message and it will open in full window. This is especially helpful for new learners. And if the message points to missing data or configuration, you may need to check your master data or ask your functional team to support. And remember, SAP messages are not obstacles. They are there to help you enter correct data and follows the right process. Thanks for watching.